For decades, the standard way we acquired knowledge relied on an instructor at the front of a room handing down a structured curriculum. But traditional, top-down models cannot keep pace with the speed of modern knowledge work. Adapting to this information density requires self-determined learning, or Heutagogy. Instead of following a preset syllabus, you identify the specific problem you need to solve and build the learning path to reach the solution yourself. Over the next 5 minutes, we are going to build a personalized AI-powered study hub using Google NotebookLM to execute that process. You only need a standard Google account and a small stack of curated research materials, such as PDFs, Google Docs, or specific web links. This system is designed to automate the friction of formatting and organizing. By offloading the busy work, you retain your mental energy for high-level analysis. Before we set up the software, we need to look at how educational theory changes with the tools we use. Pedagogy relies on an external authority feeding you information in a sequence. Even as adults, we often default to Andragogy, where we use our past experiences to guide us, but still look for prepackaged courses. This diagram maps the shift. We move the student to the center of the learning process. Large language models now make it possible to design and manage these individual paths at scale. Navigating an information-dense environment means moving past consuming a curriculum to actively designing one. Looking at this mock-up of NotebookLM, you will notice it starts as a blank slate. It has no preloaded data. It requires your explicit instructions, starting right at this Upload Sources interface. To begin, create a new notebook and upload 3 to 5 distinct, highly targeted sources. These can be research papers, YouTube transcripts, or specific URLs. Curation is critical. Do not dump hundreds of barely relevant documents into the system. If the input is noisy, the output will be too. This visual illustrates a mechanism called grounding. It locks out unverified web data, ensuring the model only processes the specific documents you allowed inside the perimeter. This constraint prevents the AI from hallucinating information that isn't in your files. By limiting the AI's knowledge base to your trusted sources, you turn a generic chatbot into a subject matter expert on your specific project. With your sources loaded, we can apply the concept of cognitive offloading. A large portion of your mental bandwidth is often wasted on formatting data and synthesizing raw information before you can even begin to analyze it. The Studio panel automates formatting. Raw data enters the AI hub, outputting clear artifacts. Watch this data instantly reformat into a clean bar chart. Next, generate an audio overview, translating your documents into a conversational podcast. Delegating the rote tasks of summarizing and formatting clears your brain's buffer. This allows you to start the creative work immediately, rather than wasting hours on initial organization. There is a danger known as the surface-level trap. This happens if you sit back and passively ingest the AI's output without challenging it. Self-determined learning requires you to disrupt that passivity. You have to actively interrogate the material the AI provides. Open the NotebookLM chat and give it a direct command. Type, "Identify the contradictions between source A and source B." Then ask the AI to generate a quiz. Instruct it to test you on higher-order application, forcing you to use concepts in new scenarios rather than just answering rote questions. When the AI answers, look for the inline citation bubbles. As this diagram shows, clicking a citation jumps straight to the exact paragraph in your uploaded text, forcing the system to show its work. When you force the model to resolve contradictions and provide citations, you move past the surface of the text. You are verifying its logic and building a deeper understanding of the material. Zooming out, you now have a fully customized study hub. In just minutes, you have curated your sources, generated interactive guides, and initiated a dialogue with the material. You started with a passive approach, waiting to be taught. You have replaced it with a framework where you direct the entire operation. Here is your immediate next step. Download the audio overview, load it onto your phone, and listen to it on your commute today. NotebookLM handles the heavy processing of data, but the final synthesis happens in your own mind. The tool organizes the information. You decide what it means.